Silikali ya Kaunti ya Masaku Ungu Utongoi wa Ngavana Wavinya Ndeti Niyambiia Iseso ya Kwambiisya Munusuvaa Nzau Kathiani Mitaboni Mwala Masii Matuu Kithimani na Kithyoko Kivaa Masinga Ekalakala. Iseso ni Nzia ya Kaunti ya Masaku Kwailya Mwiana wa Masoko Uthukumi wa Mwenenthi na Kuseuvya Isese sya Utandithya ila sikuweta bakupi Uthukumi kwa Mwenenthi. Musau na kutwalesya
Kaunti ya Masaku Ungu Utongoi wake mwandu Ngavana Wavinya Ndeti Niyambiia muvango wa kukilya Masoko ma Kathiani Mitaboni Mwala Masii Matuu Kithimani Kithyoko Kivaa Masinga na Ekalakala kutika Munusuvaa nikana kukilya wena wa Masoko aya Kwailya Uthukumi na kumailya kiukwati nikana Kwailya mikalile ya andu.
So throughout our public participation, engagement with the professional groups and technical people, the committee found that these 4 proposed municipalities meet the threshold that is provided in the law. These municipalities are very important to Machakos. They will decentralize services to Mwananchi, and this has been your clarion call all the time. There's a lot of commercial activity in these areas, and of course we also realize that a significant part of these municipalities is also agricultural and rural, and we have very solid recommendations in the report so that we can immediately after we confer the status, then we can do land use plans so that we protect our agricultural land within the municipality.
By creating these new municipalities, we are establishing economic growth centers and investment corridors. We are making Machakos the place to invest, a reality by providing effective development control to prevent mushrooming of slums and unplanned settlements.
Ayosa livoti ya nzama ino Ngavana Wavinya Ndeti awetakana Masoko aya meitha matonya kwiyungamia na kuthukumanikana Kwailya wiana wamo.
These reports represent more than just technical assignments. They are the blueprint of our social-economic birth of our major towns. The report signal a green light for these 4 urban clusters to transition into vibrant, autonomous, and centers of excellence. To ensure a seamless transition, my administration has already pioneered the delegation of 16 devolved urban service functions to our existing municipalities in Mavoko, Machakos, Kangundo, and Tala. I want to say, we have already pioneered, we have already done, we have sent all the functions. Because when I say most governors thought when we have urban centers, power is being taken from you. No, that is making work easier for you as a governor.
Gavana oyo wengine waweta livoti ni kukunikilwa ni nzama ya maminista itambito vikambungeni ya kaunti kuwa iweta Munusuvaa ithi tasiye Kwailya Uthukumi ovamana Kuseuvya mawia kwa enenthi.
I wish to underscore the significance of transition by urging our honorable members of the County Assembly to treat this report with the utmost urgency and legislative precision. The people of Machakos are waiting for the benefits of these reforms, and we must not delay these aspirations. Our actions today are firmly anchored in the rule of law. This process was meticulously executed pursuant to Section 9 of the Urban Areas and Cities Act, the County Government Act, and the Constitution of Kenya 2010. By elevating these centers, we are not merely changing titles. We are strategically responding to the realities of rapid urbanization.
Vilingi wa Mavumo Utongoi TV kumava Kauntini ya Masaku nyenita wa Ben Musau.